More news coming in. The centre has appointed 2 new Supreme Court judges as per the provisions under the Constitution of India. The President of India has appointed the following Chief Justices of High Court. Judges of the Supreme Court now: Rajesh Bindal, Chief Justice, Allahabad High Court; Arvind Kumar, Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court, is what we've been given to understand. Nalini Sharma has more details on that story. Nalini, to what extent does the vacancy, the issue of vacancies, in fact, within the Apex Court really get addressed with these appointments?
Well, Sneha, that's the big takeaway that we are getting from these appointments. The fact that with these 2 new appointments, now all of the vacancies in the top court have effectively been filled by the centre, which means that the Supreme Court, after these 2 new judges take oath, will be functioning with full strength of 34 sitting judges. That means there are no more vacancies in the Supreme Court. The final 2 vacancies have been filled. This has been a long-standing point of tussle between the Supreme Court and the Collegium, between the Supreme Court Collegium and the centre over the issue of judicial vacancies. But now with the Supreme Court vacancies being filled, it's a big step forward in the right direction. Of course, there are several High Court vacancies that are still pending, but the Collegium has time and again and repeatedly over the past several days made several recommendations for judges to be appointed as High Court Chief Justices and judges. In fact, the vacancies that would arise because of the appointment of these 2 judges in the Supreme Court, the names for filling those vacancies have already been recommended by the Collegium to the centre. And it remains to be seen how soon the centre appoints those names. But the big takeaway coming in from this clearance of files today is that all of the vacancies in the Supreme Court now stand filled, and the Supreme Court will be functioning with its full strength of 34 judges once both these judges take oath.
I'm going to thank you for the moment, Nalini, getting us all of those details and that big developing story from the Supreme Court of India.